What's up, guys? My name is Henry from GI Technologies. Currently, we are inside Amrahia. It's 6-line electric fence for our customer, and the customer is very excited. We tested the fence with the fence scope. The voltage is very clean, and everything is ready for any bad guy. If you have any project for us, whether in Accra, Kumasi, Tamale, or you're outside Ghana, make sure you pick the numbers on the screen and give us a call. We are the best guys in the market. We have the best prices, so we do the best job. Like I always say, we have deal for every budget and every timeline. Let's go. Let me show you our final work. Let's go.